Okay, now we're going to level up further. In the next scenario, in worksheet number 4, it says here if the total sales is above 100,000 and the hours rendered is less than 100, then indicate here as yes, otherwise no. In our previous if statements, we only needed one condition, and that is equivalent to one output. One logic, one output. Now, in our scenario here, we need to satisfy two conditions or two logical statements before you get a yes. So, again, the first problems that we have in the previous videos, one logic, one output. Now, we have two logical statements, both has to be satisfied before you get a yes. And now we need a function whose job is to work together with the if statement in order to combine logical tests. This is the job of the function AND. The AND function combines logical tests together. These logical tests have to be satisfied before you get the true statement. So in our sample here, the first logical test is that if the total sales is more than 100,000, that's the first condition. That's not the only condition though. The other condition, comma, is that the hours rendered is less than 100, close. But we're not yet done. We've only indicated the two logical statements that you need to be satisfied. If both of them are satisfied, then that's the time you get the yes. If you only satisfy one of them or none of them, then you get the no. Enter. It's a no for the first one because the sales did not reach more than 100,000. Same with the second sample, it's going to be a no. While the third one reached more than 100,000 as we indicated here, but the hours rendered is more than 100. So that is still a no based on our conditions. I will double click in order to see the rest of the statements. Let's look for a yes. This one is a yes because the first one, the sales, is more than 100,000 and the hours rendered is less than 100. So that's why you got the yes for an answer. So AND function combines logical tests together. It can combine up to 30 logical statements in order for it to be maximized. But I don't think you need that much. But at least you know you could combine up to 30 logical statements. Alright? Common mistake that I see here, not closing the AND function. Before you go to the value if true, make sure that you close that. You close the AND function first before you go back giving the yes and the no of the if statement. That's it. See you next video.